Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, A Travel Journey. We recently visited Universal Studios Hollywood in California. And in this video, I will be showing you around the park. Universal Studios Hollywood is a film studio and theme park in the San Fernando Valley area of Los Angeles County, California. It was initially created to offer tours of the Universal Studios sets and is the first of many full-fledged Universal Studios theme parks located across the world. I was very excited to go and explore the wizarding world of Harry Potter. The first thing you see when you enter Hogsmeade is the Hogwarts Express train on the right. Unlike the one in Orlando, you cannot ride the train. This train is just there for pictures. There is a train conductor standing beside it, who you can take pictures with. The first ride we went on was the Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. As you enter through the Hogwarts Castle, you will make your way down the passageway and corridors of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Then you fly above the castle grounds as you join Harry Potter and his friends on a thrilling adventure. Make sure to leave any belongings in the free provided locker, as it is a bumpy ride and you can easily drop items like your phone or glasses. It is a one-of-a-kind ride with state-of-the-art technology which you will not want to miss. After the ride, we went to try the famous butterbeer. You can get it either frozen or just cold. We got it frozen, and it was delicious and perfect for the hot summer day. The Hollywood version of the park has one land, which is Hogsmeade, compared to its Orlando counterpart, which also has Diagon Alley. Afterwards, we walked to the Universal Studio Tour. In this tour, you go behind the scenes of a real working movie studio. Remember to take the 3D glasses with you for the King Kong 360 and the Fast and Furious supercharged rides. This was the first ever attraction on the studio tour to feature 3D technology, creating a fully immersive experience of Skull Island. King Kong 360 3D features one of the world's largest 3D projection installations ever produced. The star of The Tonight Show comedian Jimmy Fallon is the video host of the studio tour. The HD monitors in the trams play a video of him introducing entertaining clips throughout the tour. You will get to see where some of your favorite films and television shows were filmed. At each set, the tram stops for about a moment, so you can take plenty of pictures and videos. This flash flood movie set was added to the tour in 1968. And has appeared in countless films, including Big Fat Liar and Fletch Lives. This set is from the movie Jaws, and you get to see the shark which was used in this scene. Here you see a key scene from the movie War of the Worlds, depicting a small town devastated by an elaborately choreographed 747 jetliner crash. The town's facade is dramatically surrounded by wreckage and debris resulting from a Martian attack. This is the original Jupiter's Claim set from Jordan Peele's latest horror epic, Nope. After the tour, we walked back to Hogsmeade for a quick lunch at the Three Broomsticks restaurant. We got the herb-roasted chicken platter, which came with corn on the cob and roast potatoes on the side. Afterwards, we went to Honeyduke's. And they have the most delicious sweets, including chocolate frogs and jelly beans. Afterwards, we just walked around Hogsmeade, looking at all the different shops. After we exited Hogsmeade, we walked around Universal for a bit. This area was decorated for Dia de los Muertos. The park was covered in Halloween decorations. We got to see some Universal characters around the park with whom you can take pictures. At the end, we stopped by a gift shop where they had a very large selection of Universal-related merchandise. I hope you liked this video, and please do comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.